Today, ipakita nako ang isa sa mga pinakabago namo nga listings diri duol sa Davao International Airport. Welcome to Illumina Estates Subdivision. My name is John with TVO Realty, and tara, sudlon nato ang kani nga balay. As for the feature of this house, you have a 180 square meters lot area and 220 square meters floor area. It has 6 bedrooms and 4 toilet and bath. As for the facade of this house, you have your man gate before ka mosulod sa imuhang entryway sa imuhang balay. You have your carport on my right side, and you have this gate para sa imuhang car. And ang kaniya area is for your garden area. Pwede mo magtanom diri sa inyong mga plants if you are a plantita, plantito. And this can be the best place for you. Tara, let's check the interior of the house. So you have your solid door here sa inyong main door, and you have your space here for your living area. So upon turnover, you can put your sofa here, and it has a built-in cabinet also kung asa pwede nyo ibutang ang inyong television, ang inyong speaker, or any na pwede nyo mabutang diri ang area. Adjacent to your living area is your dining area. So, your dining area is quite spacious. It can accommodate 8-seater dining table, and just adjacent to it is your kitchen area. So, gwapo ang combination sa color sa cabinet, sa base cabinet, sa inyong countertop, and sa inyong overhead cabinet. You also have this breakfast nook. Pwede nyo butangan og high chair diri so that every morning, afternoon, or dinner, pwede mo diri na lang mukhaon diretso. So, pakita po na ko sa inyo ang sliding door kani, which will lead you to your covered lanai diri sa side sa property. On this area is your laundry area, and you have an extra space here na pwede ninyo buhatong garden area ninyo. On the kitchen, naamoy marag adjacent na another kitchen area. So, pwede niyo siya buhaton ninyo nga dirty kitchen. It's your choice kung pwede niyo siya butangan og separation, butangan yung sliding door para kung magluto mo diri dili kay mo ngamoy dito sa inyong dining area. And you have also your access door which will lead you to sa atong laundry area ninyo. So, adjacent to your dirty kitchen area is your maid's quarter. It has its own toilet and bath also, and it's quite spacious. This can accommodate a bunk bed, no single bunk bed, or a single bed. On the ground floor, maliban sa kaning room for the maid's room, you also have your guest room. Kani, this is your guest room. It comes also with its own toilet and bath. So this is a fully functional toilet and bath. Wala ra siya glass enclosure, but all the fixtures for shower and for the sink are already included upon turnover. Heading upstairs, you have your huge glass window here that gives a lot of natural light coming in this area. So, grabe kahayag. It comes also with an awning window that gives a natural air ventilation on this property. On the second floor, we have 4 rooms in total. Showing you now is the first room on the second floor. You have large windows. This is a sliding window. It comes also with its own wardrobe cabinet. Heading on to the second room of this property, almost similar space to the first room. It comes also with its own wardrobe cabinet. The 3 rooms on the second floor has a common toilet and bath. This is a huge toilet and bath on the second floor. So fully fitted already. Upon turnover, all you need to put is the glass enclosure sa imuhang shower area. As for the third room, it can be a study space, working room, or study area. So it depends on you upon turnover kung unsa ang purpose ani nga room. It can be an additional room, or it can be a study area, or kung unsa may need ninyo. Now, I'm excited to show you the master bedroom of this property. This is the biggest room in the house. So it comes already with a king-size bed. It comes already with a cabinet, no? Pwede nyo butang diri ang inyong television just right across your bed. And it comes also with its own walk-in closet. It has a lot of cabinets, no? Pwede nyo ibutang inyong mga sanina adria, isabit, and a lot of organizers, no? Kung daghan yung mga collection sa mga sanina o mga gamit. And welcome to your master's toilet and bath. So dako kayo ninyong toilet and bath. You have a glass enclosure already for your shower area. You also have your his and hers sink here, and you can put a large mirror on this area. If you are interested to own this property, or if you want to schedule a viewing, message me for more details. I am John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!